If you're in El Salvador, you can now use Bitcoin to purchase goods, making it the first country to do so. Many are reacting to this news, with some saying this is good news for the digital currency market, while others are more skeptical. NTD's Kריסטינה Kim brings us the different viewpoints.
El Salvador uses the US dollar as its official currency, and now it's the first country to also accept Bitcoin as legal tender. People don't have to use Bitcoin if they don't want, but if it's offered as a form of payment, they must accept it. Additionally, prices can be expressed in Bitcoin, taxes can also be paid in Bitcoin, and exchanges in Bitcoin won't be subject to capital gains tax. But the US dollar will remain the reference currency. Economic analyst Joseph Trevisani says the thing that impacts Bitcoin's value is how widely accepted it is. And there's no doubt that this move from El Salvador is helping the crypto market, at least for now. Shortly after the vote, the price of Bitcoin rose 5%.
This is a positive for them. This will be looked upon by all traders and all participants in the market as a future positive item.
Public perception is especially important because Bitcoin has no grounding in any of the economically traded markets. It's a purely electronic entity. That adds to its volatility. For example, when Colonial Pipeline ransom money was recovered, the value of Bitcoin fell. When Elon Musk expressed concerns over Bitcoin, it also fell. That's why Professor Steve Hanke, one of the world's leading experts on currencies, is skeptical about the move. He also says there could be more nefarious reasons that El Salvador moved to accept this hard-to-trace currency.
This idea of Bitcoin becoming legal tender is a very bizarre kind of move. If you already have a great currency, why Bitcoin? Because Bitcoin is not a currency. It's a highly speculative asset. Its price is very volatile.
As for the argument that Bitcoin could one day replace gold, Hanke says it's nonsense. But like it or not, Trevisani believes cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin will remain as an alternative.
Some people think the world is going to end, and so Bitcoin is a good thing to hold. Other people distrust governments as a matter of course, so Bitcoin is a good thing to have. Other people have criminal activities, it's harder to trace. Others just like the trading volatility. All of the reasons are valid reasons, meaning that they give people a reason to participate.
El Salvador's move may not have a large global impact. Both Hanke and Trevisani believe the strength of the US dollar as the international currency will hold. As for the long-term impact of El Salvador's move, Hanke thinks it could be negative.
In a financial sense, I think it could be, ironically, bad news for Bitcoin because I think this will invite much more harsh and serious regulation of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies.
It might take a few years for Bitcoin's value to stabilize, if it does stabilize. And with more countries looking into digital currencies, we'll have to see how things play out. Kריסטינה Kim, NTD News.